Everyone is obsessing over Nvidia and Microsoft, but here's what most investors are missing. The real AI wealth boom may come from the hidden infrastructure companies powering everything behind the scenes. And today we're looking at 4 AI infrastructure stocks trading under $10 that could quietly become major winners by 2026. Starting with a company many people completely misunderstand. Inuvo, INUV. On the surface it looks like a tiny ad tech firm, but under the hood it's building something much bigger, an AI data intelligence engine called IntentKey that doesn't track people like old-school advertising. Instead, it reads the internet in real time, understanding context, topics, and meaning, to predict what users care about without using personal data. That's huge. In a world where cookies are disappearing and privacy laws are tightening, Inuvo acts as an AI layer between digital behavior and monetization, processing massive data flows and turning them into insights for advertisers across desktop, mobile, smart TVs, and even gaming platforms. It also uses predictive AI to optimize ad budgets across channels. Yet the stock trades around $2.80, still valued like a microcap ad company. Even though analysts see fair value near $10.88, revenue sits around $22.6 million. Gross profit $16.6 million with a massive 73% margin, and losses are shrinking. Clear signs of scalability if execution improves. Next up is Powerfleet AIoT, around $5.21, operating in AIoT, artificial intelligence of things. While everyone talks about software AI, Powerfleet connects AI to physical assets like vehicles, warehouses, shipping containers, and heavy equipment. Its Unity platform pulls data from thousands of sensors into one AI-powered system, so companies can track, manage, and automate assets in real time. Customers include Walmart, Toyota, and Avis, meaning this isn't experimental tech, it's mission-critical. Over 80% of revenue is recurring now as the company shifts toward SaaS, and management sees EBITDA margins reaching 26% by 2027. Analysts see targets between $6.54 and $7.84, with long-term models even near $17. Though risks include debt, integration challenges, and global exposure. Third is Quantum Corporation QMCO, around $7.36. A company sitting right at the center of the AI data explosion. AI runs on data, and Quantum specializes in storing, managing, and protecting massive unstructured data sets like video, research files, and healthcare imaging. Its solutions include high-performance file systems, object storage, backup appliances, and large-scale archiving tech. The key shift: moving from hardware to software subscriptions, cloud analytics, and services, transforming into a modern AI data infrastructure platform. Recently, shares jumped after preliminary results showed $72.7 million revenue, gross margins near 38%, and narrowing losses, signaling a possible turnaround. At current prices, it's still valued like a struggling legacy storage company instead of a future AI data backbone.